Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make a website for your clothing brand. So now here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we will be doing in order for us to start and building our website is to go here into online store at the left side, and then from here we're gonna go and select a theme right here. So the theme is very important in creating our website right here. So you want to go into the theme store. So you want to click on add theme and click on visit theme store right here. And then from here, we would be browsing on the themes right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of themes that we have right here. There are some paid ones and some free ones right here. So the really good ones are mostly on the paid ones, but you can also get a really good theme in the free themes right here on Shopify. For example, is refresh. In this tutorial, we'll be using this theme right here. So when you click on refresh right here, you can see the specs on what is supported in this theme right here. So it supports mega menu. So this is really good right here. And you can have the sticky header. So this is the menu right here. And you can have a sticky header which would stick wherever the customer would scroll down into your website. And then you can have some features right here. You can see all features by clicking on this button. But from this one right here, we're gonna click on try theme so that we can now add it into our online store right here. As you can see, it says adding refresh to your online store themes. And then from here, as you can see, you would see the refresh theme being added into our theme library right here. And as you can see, it's currently loading. And while that is loading, the next step that you would want to take is you want to go into settings. And then from here, you want to go for policies right here. So policies is very important for your clothing brand into your website. So you could go for a return and refund policy for your privacy policy, and you can go for your terms and service, your shipping policy, contact information, and so on. So this is very important that you fill this up. So in case something goes wrong and the customer would report a problem to you, and you could refer to your policy that this is what would happen, and you have it here in your policy so that you won't be blamed for some errors that was made by the customer or whatsoever, because you have your policies written right here and the customers have agreed to this one. So if you're wondering that this is such a drag to make, then you could just use ChatGPT to make your policy, and all you have to do is review your policy. If everything looks good, then you can just put it up right here. So yeah, you can just use the power of AI to make everything right here, and you can make everything right here in no time with a really good content right here. So now let's go and exit, and now we'll be going back into our online store right here, and now we have our refresh added into our theme library now. So what we'll be doing is we are gonna go and click on customize right here. So now we can start editing our website or making our website. And now the first thing that we will be doing is we will be adding our logo into our store. So as you can see, it's just my store right here. So to add our logo, you simply need to click on the header. And then from here, you would refer to the right side right here, and you can click on the theme settings. And then from here, you can see the logo right here. All you have to do is select an image, and then this would pop up right here. And in my case, I have my logo, so I'll just go for this one right here because I think this goes well with the theme right there. And now, as you can see, it is now like this. It's just a very simple logo right here. And as you can see, it takes up too much space. So what I can do so that I can rearrange this is that you can go here at the right side and you can find the desktop logo position, and you can set this into a middle left right here, and it would be rearranged this way. And I think this one would look cleaner right here. We have our logo and we have our menus right here. So you can just do this right here. And then the next one would be this one right here. So if you want to customize your logo, like the position, like the size, and so on, then you can go here with the desktop logo, and you can just drag this right here all the way down. And then as you can see, it would be a smaller right there. So I think around 110 is enough for me, and just like that. And yeah, I think that looks good. So this is just an example. And then the next thing is that we can go into our color scheme. So it is very important to change our color scheme right here in our Shopify store, especially if it's not good. So to change your color scheme, it's very important. All you have to do is refer to the right side, and then you can see the color right here, and you have your color scheme. And then from here, you can change this color scheme by clicking on change. And from here, you can have a lot of colors right here, and just like that. But my recommendation would be the colors blue, green, or orange, because this has been scientifically proven that it is a very effective color into your store to have a high CVR or conversion rate. And yeah, because it is pleasing to the eye and it's very easy to look at. So you can just use that color right there. Or if you don't want other colors, then you can also research your color scheme so that you can incorporate it into your website, so that you can make sure that your psychology game in converting your customer is spot on. So now that's it for the color scheme. And as you can see, I have a blue color scheme, so I don't really need to change this one right here. I think this already looks cool. So the next one, we'll be talking about the announcement bar right here. So what you typically want to put here is some maybe some free shipping or some promo. So to edit this, all you have to do is go here, and so click onto welcome to our store right here, and you can edit the content. So let's say we would want to go for free shipping until the end of the month. Just for an example, you can put it right here, and you can even put a link right here if you would like to make this clickable. So you could go for your collections right here that are free shipping, and you can go for your collection. You can link it right there, so you can also do that right here. And the next one is the header. So what I like to do in the header, aside from the logo right here and how I position this one right here, is that you can go for a mega menu just like this one right here, that you have this right here, and you can, as you can see, this is not yet a mega menu. So let me just show you what a mega menu is by going into Nike a website right here. So this is a mega menu right here, an example of a really great one. So this is a mega menu where you can see everything just by clicking on one category right here. So you can see the subcategories right there. So we can also do that right here. So all we have to do is go here into header, and then from here you can go into the desktop menu type. So if your theme supports mega menu, just like this theme, just as I mentioned earlier, this supports mega menu. So when I go here, when I click on this one, it is now a mega menu right here, just like Nike's right here. So that is another tip that I can give you. And then the next one is this one right here. So we have this part. This is really big, so this is very important that you only put high quality image right here, because this is the biggest one that the customers will see first when they go into your website. So you can add an image right here by clicking on select image, and then click on your image right here. And just like that, you have successfully added an image. And then from here, you can also edit the content of this. So you can go here and you can click here on the heading. So let's go for shop our, or you can go for this one right here, our best sellers right here. Then you can go and do that, and you can even go for the button right here. You can see that this is what the link is of that button. So when they click that button, they would go here. So we can also change the content of that button by clicking here in the button label right here. Let's go for shop now right there. And then yeah, that is basically it for this one right here. It's very simple, but this is very important because this plays a big part of your website. And then the next one is your featured products. So what I technically recommend right here is that you want to remove this one right here. So as much as possible, you should remove your headings right here. So I'll just go for this one right here, just like that, so that they would have more space. And then all you have here is the products right here, and they can just scroll right here. But as you can see, I only have one product, so it just look like this. But in your case, you should add a lot of products right here. You can put your best sellers right here, or if you want to add a heading, then you can just go for best sellers right here. So yeah, but I recommend that you don't add anything right here, just the products right here, so that the customers will be focusing on that. And then the next one, what I suggest is that you add a rich text right here. So you can add that by clicking here on the add section, and you can go for rich text right here. And you can do this right here, click on rich text. And then from here, you can talk about your brand, like your missions and so on. So from here, I'm gonna put in my brand name. So I'll go for easy shirts right here. And then after that, I want to go here for the description. So I just want to put some 3 sentences maybe of the mission of my brand right here. So all I can do is I can go to ChatGPT and I can ask ChatGPT to make me a 3 sentences mission of my brand named Easy Shirts, which is a online clothing brand, just like that. And then you want to go and copy paste for this one right here, and I can just do this right here. But of course, if you want to edit the content of this, then you can just also do that in ChatGPT, and all I have to do now is just paste it right here, and just like that, we now have it right here. But as you can see, it's too long, so what I typically recommend is you cut your text right here, because you don't want it to be too long, because your customers wouldn't read it if it's too long right here. So maybe I'll just cut it by this one right here. So yeah, I think that is enough. So now we are done with this one. The next thing that I'm going to show you is the footer right here, on how you can customize this one. And you can go here in the menus right here, the mega menus, and how you can customize this. So to do that, we simply need to go back right here, and from here you want to go into the navigation under online store, and then from here you can see your footer menu or the main menu. This is the main menu right here, and this is the footer menu right here. So the main menu, this is what I added right here. When I click on main menu, this is what I added right here. This is the mega menu that I have created. And then for the footer menu, you can always add your policies right here, your contacts, your emails, and so on right here, but I haven't added any right here. But you can add them on your own. All you have to do is add a menu item, and then the name, and then you have to link on whatever you would like to link right here. So for example, if you have your policy right here, policy, then you would like to, or you must link it into your policies right here, just like that, and policies, and you can see your policies right here, and you want to click on add, just as easy as that. And yeah, that is basically it for that. And then the next one that I'm going to show you is the product's description, or the product details right here. So let's just select our product right here, and we can see our products right here. So you want to make sure that you have some really great details on the description of your products. And once again, you can use ChatGPT for this one, so that you can make a really short but really sweet, encouraging description right here that would really hook your customer into buying your product right here. So you can make this really good right here, and you can add some specifications of your products right here, some features, and so on. So yeah, you can also use ChatGPT for that. And yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial right here on how you can make a website for your clothing brand here in Shopify. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.